A lot of people are asking the same questions about water capacity. What's the plan and how quickly are we moving? Here's where things stand. We've restored important water capacity. The Parkway system is now back online after major repairs. That work allows us to move forward with priority projects like schools, childcare centers, and religious spaces. I want to be very clear. Your drinking water is safe. This is not a water quality issue. It is about capacity and long-term reliability. Our teams are actively working every day to bring more capacity online. We're advancing key projects, including upgrades at Greenbrook and the Mannheim side stream project to add new water supply. At the same time, we're reviewing every available option to safely increase capacity in the near term. We're accelerating timelines wherever possible and releasing capacity as it becomes available. This is complex work. It's active, hands-on, and moving forward. We're working closely with the province, our municipal partners, and the development community to protect our water system while supporting responsible growth. We'll continue to provide regular updates so you can see the progress as it happens.